Hi everyone. In this series of videos we're looking at how to use the Avada Builder elements. In this video we'll be looking at how to use the Facebook page element in Avada. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos like this one. And if you don't want to miss one, click the bell icon to get notifications of all new videos on our channel. Okay, let's begin. The Facebook page element is a simple element to help you display, you guessed it, your Facebook page on your Avada website. It replaces the legacy widgets method and offers a simple element that you can add anywhere to your content. No longer do you need the Facebook app ID to set it up. With this element, you just need to add the page URL. I've imported the author pre-built site here, and I'm going to imagine this author wants to ramp up his Facebook presence and add his timeline into the footer. You could of course just as easily add it to a single blog post layout or anywhere else you think it'd work. I'm going to edit the footer layout here. And here we can see our footer content. To start off with, I'm going to have to make some room for it. I'll leave this first column as a 1/6 and make all the others 1/5. That gives me room for one more column, so I'll duplicate one and drag it over. I'll change the title element to say Join Us, and let's delete the text block element and add the new Facebook page element here instead. Okay, as you can see, it comes with the page URL populated. So the first thing to do would be to add your own Facebook page URL here. The next option down allows you to size the element as you wish, both width and height. Here, this column is only 1/5, and the element is already filling that, so I don't need to adjust the width. But in this case, it's way too long, so I'll adjust the height to make it a bit more compact. Let's try 300 pixels. It's perhaps still a bit big, but I can see another option just a bit further down that will help with that. Before I change that though, we have the tabs option. It's currently showing just the timeline, and you can add events and messages tabs here if you want. I'll just keep it like this. Then there's the header option. Here I'm going to select the small header. Yeah, that looks better. The next option is called cover photo. I will set that to show, but I think I'll hide friends photos and hide the call to action as well. This will only show if it's set up anyway. Then there's a lazy load option, and as this is in the footer, I want to turn this one on so it doesn't load with the initial page content. Below this are the usual element visibility and CSS options, and we won't be using them here, so let's skip to the design tab. There are only a couple of options here for margin and alignment. I might add 15 pixels top margin to align the box with the other content, but the alignment is fine as is. Depending on your placement and your column size, these two options could come very much in handy. Then there's an extras tab if you want to apply some element animation, but for this example I'll leave that one alone. Okay, that's the new Facebook page element. Let us know in the comments how you use it. This concludes our video on how to use the Facebook page element. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.